My next question to you is, spirit of volunteerism is important for nation building activities. How volunteering together can enable the change, builds the hopes and improves the lives of communities?
This concept of volunteerism is a magnificent one. It tells you that you are willing to sacrifice a part of your life for somebody other than you. The concept of volunteerism is that I am doing it because I love to do it. I am not forced to do it. I enjoy doing it. If you are a volunteer, you can't put conditions. I want to do this. If you don't give me, I will not be a volunteer. That is business. That is not volunteerism. I should share a small thing. I was with Mother Teresa. I lived with her for 3 days in Calcutta in 1971. I went there as a volunteer for 3 days. Something unexpected happened. A lady died there. Mother asked me, can you go and do rituals for this lady? Believe me, it was 1971. I was just about 19, 20-year-old boy. First time I seeing death there. And I came from a very traditional family that when your parents are alive, you can't go to crematorium. But mother is asking me not to go to crematorium, but to do all the rites that a son should do to the mother. For a moment I said I will not do it. But then I remembered I have gone there as what? I have gone as a volunteer. Volunteers have no choice, no choice. I agreed, I did it. I finished all the rituals and came back and sat on the sofa. Mother sat next to me. Are you worried, son? She asked me. I said, yes, because I am coming from a traditional family. I have not taken my parents' permission. What will happen? She said, don't worry. You have done a great job. Parents will live longer than they would have normally lived. That happened. Secondly, she told me, son, when you talk of a volunteer, you are doing on your own, not under anybody's compulsion. Therefore, you do with double energy. If you are a paid employee, you do X work. As a volunteer, you do 2X or 3X. Because they are excited to do. You are not under anybody's compulsion, your heart dictates. I always believed this. When your brain drives you, you can go 1X and 2X. When your heart pushes you, you go 4X and 5X. Therefore, if you can go with that zeal, you can make a difference to people. I always believed that being different is not important. Everybody walks on their feet, I go upside down, walk on my legs. I am different, but it makes no sense. Being different is not important. To make a difference is important. As a volunteer, if I go, I have an advantage. I come from a different field into education. I bring a new perspective into it. If I am in education for a long time, my eyes are blotted, completely closed. I look in only one direction. But a volunteer brings a new dimension to it. That is the strength of a volunteer. And he does it willingly, cooperates with them, understands what is happening here, and then with his experience in some other field, as you said, corporate volunteers, fantastic. Their style of management is totally different from the school environment. The corporate has more accountability, more planning, which is missing in education sector. They can bring that. And presence of a volunteer enriches the working style of schools and colleges and also enriches the whole structure itself. I would always welcome the volunteerism in schools and colleges, especially people coming from different sections. I myself taken quite a few IIT boys and girls into school teaching. Initially teachers were reluctant. What will they understand, sir? They talk big and we don't understand. I said, doesn't matter, you don't understand. But the children were absolutely happy with these volunteers because they found a new approach, new way of teaching. And teachers slowly understood that and they also became a part of it. I really compliment this idea of using volunteers in education. It brings, I would say it's called a beautiful interaction between two different fields synthesized into a new model. This will be a lovely model to follow. In fact, when you work in a job, you retire after some time. Some people don't get retired. Age is a chronological factor. For some people, they become younger with age. There is so much enthusiasm, so much of willingness to participate and tremendous knowledge base that they can use it. Especially when retired people come into volunteer work, it adds a new dimension. Two reasons. One is looking at the enthusiasm of an elder person, the youngsters also get enthusiastic. They also learn, if he can do it, why not me? And advantage with that person, senior person, is he can take them like their own children. Come on, we'll do it together. And if somebody is coming from defense services, extraordinary, like the film we saw, amazing. You worked at the borders, fighting with people there, now you understand how it works within the system. With that experience of discipline of army and commitment to cause, if they can bring into education, that will be doubly beneficial for education as well, and also stimulate and increase the self-esteem and energy of the teachers working under these retired volunteers.